why you use to say as a guarantor. Okay. Say ubedi ejinamu amani pan. Na enra kase fidi ba ko se da make kase. Say o koje bosia on say o guarantors. And this nipa na ntua e rema ozo just I want to show guarantor. Oh enya de boni bia but say udi ejinamu ama no. Na hwe say nipa udi ejinamu ama no. Sebi onkogu wani mase. Because abansika no ye nyina eto kakra e free am no eno na ema mpanyi ejire na mu e de aboa yen enti se ye dikotua scholarship no na ukoda suba moni edi na ye yu adia nyini se wa ha o mangana enti guarantee bia no mesre se wodne school ni ne kasa yie se de be ya onkugu wani mase na e be say ye aptitude test enti o fill form na no aptitude test e wo nso a nso be eno nso de minim ensibisa ibibisa na
eno ne de say e be gian
o eno de and apart from that na so no they make atiefo no say o fill form no district a o firi mu no mesre eno na wo say o selected
and obama various districts near wo man panina so now I select Brekum West
okay Brekum West and it's also that we need district no more and select it in district what I say because yet then oh baby o free select that district no na say one year selection na and the DBCH there
and that's I just gone no
and this is mean to me because Brekum West for no the person do no it mean akwanya e was scholarship we are president diaba ye nyeja ye ho because oba West out to say yes enwumasua aboa ebinom so wo ho a sabi so omunya moa kakra bi
kra na
ebi anka omune mamu asesa na ubie ni nyina nso a obeba interview e wo district our selected no na last year panel a etena so no mintumi nkase ebia eno na secretariat no be recommended no enti panel no so secretariat na be kire say momfa asumasi we ebia munyi Jomfo ma baako is an example ebia education office munyi baako ahemfofo le bia munyi baako said the ombesi aka no sa bi be so last year mo de secretariat for the African kind ever panel no home. Na when say the year ken obi dadwin pa ne say sia na ne bakoto nursing training form. Teacher training form, college of education form. Form what we afi kra na wa fili. Enti the me ken obeye den pa na otimi enya ho faso. Mr. Wa afi na wato form. Unyenya admission crown to apply by September. President say obesan abie for freshers.
Wow.
And to where first year, second year, just a continuous student. Omo mo school since year yasem na meka. And the minim say free SHS for you. And chombetro omo try waiting results of one better forms by September the submission about omampanyin na adodankwa kufuado na daroma scholarship no omonsa ebekebi na we are here application no shasiye enra
online
yes online no enra 1st April ekopim 15th May 15 not just next month there to sudunu ye can tell me nipa bo no ho tem is that so bit me atrans here oh we there next month to cry
can 5 days we are online maybe online I go jam okay Ghana for your for last day there you fa
bibia to be see here and to Brekum West for abutie me ani die kwan so mestre mo obia mo modern wo scholarship we no when you do be a mesre bo modern na website abedi amount www.brekumwest.org scholarshipgh.com. Koho. So wuntumi nya bo mamane. When bia metumi afa so aboa bia no. Me nso meboa. Se yare ni nti enye se yehia bobu bebre. Na emom ebetumi afa kwan bi so etumi aye. Na eno so san aboa online we no. Because they say obi owo bagabaga, obi owo tumu, obi owo jenejene, obi owo donfete, otumi tena ni fie, etumi de ni phone, eye application no. Abra on fa car, enante, enko district bia. Enti mesre Brekum West for. Wo wodim say wo free West. Brekum West. So the application no, the biatum se see afidie si manimi, the biatum kama. I'll bet me aye application. Iron.
Yeah.
Me did say how a war a man for so no.
Yeah.
And Penyada Roma or bois a yina and kakran. Na sabio say what the cat see the apprent. Na Utia Capra. What is so? Enya premium. Enti no.
Coffee B may service on the
so share Union Momoko High Schools there. President Adaroma a free. Not sharing so no the scholarship over emanate to me abwa eji awofo dadwen so say obi a what turn the plot what bra turn the plot no sukunti on plot no emfa hwe ne ba na emu obetimi afasa akwanya we na wetimi di ahwe ne ba ebia na dachi DC dachi MP dachi president dachi minister timesre mo me mfa ndi agro last year after 67 ninya scholarship ni wie e hona na manfo efre o mantentem and this time radio stations e Brekum akaba ko na menya nkoso me free a me ne omo yentoto ye mekoso me wie a ye be announcement ye be tro e dey about radio stations e ma mo ye announcements ama ye wie a information centers e wo me district ni nyina o se ye ho adwuma mampanyin ka asem a we DC announce we to ho na mo se de be ya Ghana for Brekum West for ebetumi enya so emfaso pa.
Before so beto so no senior we say publication say call announcement obia more specific number what some apply.
The TN say last year the who say districts you will quota Edema district you will quota Edema municipal na sisi a me ne wo kasa die ye nkyere me say ye be fa nipa 2 and 3
but me can omo an say omo apply say na see ye more people will apply
and there say 1 million crowd of Brekum West
okay
wait me apply obi a nipa dodo obi a bet me apply
okay
na nipa ye be yi omo nipa dodo e be yi omo de
and dey untimi
because so you test na ya record with database mo secretariat say interviewer o score ni panel wow the tablet panel members no go credit tablet and ebia counselor aba eti na no asem say ebia 1 to 5 me hear counselor ya dey 5 me nyako 5 na
I record all secretariat
until he say you be saying you dey report no until selection no will not be done by the district and a secretariat no and also no sabi enya man yourself for until ye pa application for scholarship sika bien to say so people so checking the results to say BEC ne kwasi no auto scratch card na what we dey checking we dey strap card bien etin ye na emom yem for na say wako bi internet cafe say onbo na ye application na enka say DCC secretary bien ni menti Oka kwa yenu wane okwa untu ave debi eno de me nyi ni se nipa no ebeti ase odi chow dia fine but o apply a sika bia enemy ebio I will say with date of birth would mean the correct one ID card either solid driving license voter ID passport nina ba ko na be issue na the obe issue no so no I will say we need a copy of it also to mean a copy of the ID card last year nipa man penny other mo scholarship no Brikum West nipa be mienu miensa yenya o how kakra wo ho ni nyina ne say student ID number no the behwe so ahu say iron k also ko school you know the student ID number 1 2 3 4 but according to the other mind 1 2 3 4 5 e bia you say oh many pay type na bi o ye mistake so yan kohwe na application letter na so on connect the same thing so na also enti ema the two and year but finally no it makes an American scholarship secretariat so it may resolve ya obia sika itua ema no ebi o sa your application na ubehia guarantor obi obetimi edi aginamu amount enti guarantor no so the nipa ni din na dwuma ye ene the telephone number shemu a secretariat no send text message akodi pa no phone so actually amehwe ase me wo ebi wo ha ebe kire nipa no say oye guarantor enti eno nso no
nipa number o de be guarantor no remember the message say asimesi why guarantor ma asimesi
eno no
okay
sure enti te say bia oh yeah application iron k now why you me guarantor what the number shame wa you be send me message me patrol
okay
wa oye MPP we hwe we ya oye NDC there be secretariat no and the selection based on your performance and to message so wa wutie mi a unim say wo papa wo bi wo maami wo bi unuanu wo bi a obetime twa office no Mr. Ojai
na dey say epokran so togu
oh na say papa bi aka say ono de on per scholarship obetime hwe ba
oh yeah bi ana
oso obetime hwe ba
bete bi ana nam do nsen kwan
oso obetime hwe ba enti untumi force to say opo ye be man scholarship yeah debi enti amanyo sendi anim oba ye misa party card
okay
that MPP NDC no but it's based on performance we said last year omo mobile no menje ni so bi betumi aka say me bisa no party crowd
yeah
never debi sanse dini nyina eboa Ghana for yare ball na ko hospital a na fe na ko bisa say doctor we MPP and NDC o so to me show bia nti amanyo sem de ye wo ba bia ya amanyo sem ba bi nso a enya amanyo sem ewo
okay anti ti for higher komapa 89.3 nti awofo amutie ne mu amutie nyina no ba bia wo bia no se Brikum West na opese wo be benefit scholarship na in selecting no selective Brikum West se ne be ya wo ha ne wale kura na anti interview no ba bia wo bia se wo ba Brikum West na ma ba interview no be
yes self selective Brikum West
kwa bia okay
anti
what say
district bi ebeyema district bi nso ebia obi anye ho obi anko father say enti no ba bia ofri no your application no the councillor say there then ka obeko teach me also free proof so enti Brikum West
enti but me dey hu say bia say me say me apply e bia mo be dey hu say me free ha yes because we Brikum West na me apply a me ko me ma me ni am papa ni but me
me can assemble say over interviewer So free district in man. There might be some questions
related to the district.
So free where let's maybe say DC grading this. Go cry as I said. Capital no cry no, e cry gonna say and you know, so kofa baby a won free questions a bit self from the district no, a bit to me assay your chances of getting the scholarship. And I this ready say district will free money select her. So the Obia what district will free. Obia say na ye ni eco district back so a basan so and boy.
Okay. So scholarship na me benyano fasodie potin specific say bia me fees nko na mbetua and me wo any other benefit apart from the school fees am betua.
Tuition fee and a president. Yeah.
Okay. So say
benefit and say usika nka betua no. Obetin dia to ho.
Dem dia to books I beautiful.
So the better books dia.
It's heavy at me ye classes be e school mu ho e bia normal thing any day apan emfa ho ka.
And there's all your private classes in Sunday man. Apan se CID and come home. Na minim say na me ada Roma after 2020 elections no President Akufo-Addo version atena so. Tena so a minim say next year economy e bia na secretary for assign abemu pa and also betumi abohwe and say etimi ho say president enumasi ade na kuma so obia ba mitumi nka say onye bi kra e ba na sa na say manka no kra obi betumi aye bi na emum yewura na nado de no odi afiri enkran nko a e de aba district level odi aba for this year application we are here no and I'm saying catch us say by September or say BA for freshers not just say afe no we bie no mprenu what I say not just say akuakuo mienu and the benya scholarship no free senior high school con free tertiary so also on found say private on found say government tertiary certificate diploma degree masters PhD ni nyina wo ho kwan so apply na hwe Sebrekum West in fact said this year ye many pa ebia 80 and 100 class scholarship enti president onye bia na waye bi enti said ye mempanyin eboa no idru so hia ye nso ye moa na nso ya boa no isa say nipa o wadwen power ho de na nso wakai no ya riba ye hu said ye mempanyin tie ye hu anamo a watu a sabi enkura atwa hia wiase nyina ebo president din o say economy ne de ye nim kwan a ye betumi afa so amana san ba said ye de tie no na emom eden
nipan kwa yentimi nsan from ma
yentumi onim kwan a ye befa so nipan kwa se se bi onipa hwere ne nkwa ye betumi asan ede aba amana nyankwa president we na o si edinachi president we na ngomasu na o si edinachi.
Okay, honorable say bia sene akoye online fane say bia obi apply wanya wo twanu mission all of a sudden na nipa no e bia wo free ana bibi ntu agya secretariat no be de hu say nipa we agya na nisika mo ntua mo be de hu
say bia nipa no ye de scholarship no
me man we ogusu a wo free wo fu
secretariat no any various schools and institutions no obodi nsa wo so enti bibi san so ba they will notify them na benso no ho ya na ye bi secretary principal for be brave craft frame verify omudin no say asumasi the krata we aba once the scholarship no ma wa last year no ye tro krata say aban the scholarship we ama enti no so go to be free say asumasi ayon k if I try to check the details with my maybe never we did no correct. And so was yes, secretariat no any schools no any assembly aiding into no anything. Now your bomb pie say bibi bonesa into AC.
A dear for hire come up by name honorable
and Oman Penny and not Dodanko Kufuado. Could be to me a decide this a scholarship or movie.
Yeah.
The sense of a free senior high school. And so, when you say, well, who say, Nipper Yamwa? A beer not on no dear, nephew into Tumiko school. And who saw how no one who say a month for how the best school fees and as tuition fees are. Now, a fat to who said ye tea beer or pepper. And my mom for 18 years school, a tree. Would resort when you do my it is a papa, it's me a boy. I'm on tea.
Automation board, then I don't know. I was going to say a phone. I did not.
I was say, yet me Bonabasso. It drew a brown so here. Na yenso ya poano medamase.
Yes,